Dive Club is a mystery adventure series about a group of women who dive the Great Barrier Reef. And one day, after a horrific cyclone rolls into town, one of our heroines goes missing. And it quickly becomes apparent that it may not be because of the cyclone.
It's the excitement of growing up and discovering a big world around you as you simultaneously discover things about yourself.
It empowers young girls. You know, we have 5 young women who are on this adventure and on this journey, but they're so capable.
Dive Club is really about the spirit of adventure, the power of friendship, and getting out of your comfort zone.
Our directors for Dive Club have been amazing. It's amazing to work with 3 really strong, determined women directors for a show that is about the close friendships of women.
To have this sort of nurturing energy on set with each director has been really special.
It's been so amazing working with 3 of them. Honestly, they all have their own different styles, but it's all so beautiful. And working with women directors, hell yeah, it's been really great.
Quite early on, we decided to build the world of Cape Mercy as a fictional island off the coast of Australia.
We went to Port Douglas, and as soon as we got there, it was very clear to us that this is where we had to set Dive Club.
Filming in Far North Queensland is actually a pretty incredible experience. We're literally filming in paradise, which is the dream.
We are right now in one of the most beautiful places on planet Earth. Port Douglas has been so kind to us. Like, all the people that we've encountered in the town have been so lovely and so welcoming, and it's literally like we're in Cape Mercy.
It is one of the most unique and special places to work in the world, and I think that really helps add to the richness of the show. None of it was green screened, all of it was real.
The Dive Club's probably my favourite set of them all. And I remember the first day walking in here, it was literally so magical, and my reaction was just so authentic because it's so intricate and quirky and everything's just so gorgeous.
Across the board, the creative team did such a phenomenal job realizing the world of Cape Mercy and turning challenges due to extreme exotic locations into advantages.
I haven't been diving before Dive Club, so it was definitely a really sort of scary experience to begin with, but all 5 of us learnt together and we all sort of leaned on each other for support. And I think once we got down into that water, it was just so calm and free, and I didn't expect it to be so relaxing down there.
It was honestly so magical the first time going under the water and realizing I could breathe and being on the beautiful Great Barrier Reef. It's been so amazing. We've seen turtles and different kinds of fish, and I feel like I've seen a part of the world that I wouldn't have seen if it weren't for Dive Club.
Everyone's really hit it off. We've become like a little family.
We are all a lot like our characters in a sense, so pretending to be friends wasn't pretending at all, and I think that we've all been there for each other, and I'm sure we'll all stay really close after we finish filming.
This is something that hasn't really been done before, with 5 girls taking the lead with an adventure story. Everyone's really cohesive and working together to solve this mystery, and I think that's really important to tell girls that they can take charge and they can call the shots, because I think that's going to really inspire them.